Yo, this is so me. Oh my god, look at this. Hey babes, welcome back. You guys know when you see this, it's time for a wig tutorial. So let's get started. She's falling apart, y'all. Alright babes, so the unit is completely washed and detangled and things like that. So we're really able to just kind of get a feel of what this curl pattern exactly looks like. And as you guys can see, it does look like it mimics about a 4A to about maybe a 3C texture here. So it is a little bit looser. And you guys can see those curls are completely dropped. But as you know, when it dries, it will lift up. So if this is the point in time where you want to try to do like a wash and go, you can definitely do something like that. But in my case, I want to do something with these bangs. Like, yeah, I'm here for that. So they have already attempted to kind of cut a few bangs here. Just because I don't have on the wig, obviously, I'm not sure how much bang I will or will not use. So for now, I'm just going to leave it as is and kind of just work with it as I go. So to actually complete the twist out, I'm going to be using my Grow Baby Grow Curl Cream. You guys know I have a bunch of videos on this, or actually I have a bunch. I've used this product in a bunch of videos. I do have a dedicated video to this product as well, but this is going to be really nice for twist outs and any type of natural hairstyle. It will provide a lot of moisture, but all the details will be in my description box as well. Last but not least, the best moisturizer that I've come to know is coconut oil. So I use the unrefined coconut oil. It is virgin. You guys can pretty much use whatever it is that you need, but I'm going to be using the combination of this, the Grow Baby Grow, and pretty much just water. The hair is already wet to complete the twist out with some rollers. So for the twist out, as you guys can see, it's completely done. I just did a bunch of chunky twists. Nothing too crazy. You guys have seen me do twist outs 1,000,001 times, and if you have not, please refer to one of the other videos that I've completed for you guys. And so from here, I'm gonna let the wig completely dry from this point. It is completely damp, and then of course when I come back, you guys will pretty much get to see the unit on my head and what the final results are. So I will be right back. So as you guys can see, I have my hair completely just braided straight back. I did go ahead and wash and condition. Shampoo and conditioner will be listed down in my description box below if you guys are interested in that. And then of course, when I braid my hair, I like to apply just coconut oil. You guys, I like to use the unrefined virgin coconut oil. It doesn't matter what brand, and I go ahead and just pretty much moisturize my hair. And then at the bottom, I will go ahead and put a rubber band just because my hair tends to unravel. So there's that. But nevertheless, here is the unit, completely taken off of my mannequin head, and it is completely dry, so that's a good thing. I did actually speed up the process by blow drying it with a diffuser, just a little bit in some areas, and then all that I have here is the lace that I need to go ahead and cut off, so I'm going to do that now. As you guys can see, the inside of the cap, it does have the wig combs on the side, as I explained before, so I'm just going to literally go ahead and adjust this wig cap to the tightest elastic band strap that there is. And then for the back of this and the nape of my neck, I'm going to put this as tight as possible. So y'all, I'm going to a pole dancing class and I do not want my wig to fall off. So these combs will be very useful. I'm going to go ahead and I'm putting it on the very middle strap on both sides so that it is extremely tight. Obviously not so tight that I get a headache, but like tight enough to where I'm like, okay, me, okay. Alright, so first things first, you want to go ahead and tilt your head down. Apply the elastic band right at the back. So you guys see where my braids are? Boom. If you want to leave this out, I don't know why you would, but you can, so that the elastic band is not going to pretty much be rubbing against the bottom of your neck. So I used to have breakage there, but no longer. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to flatten out my braids here, and then I'm just literally gonna put my braids up. So flip them up, flip this wig cap down, which is extremely tight, and boom, y'all, this elastic band is so freaking tight. It feels so secure. So just gonna go ahead and line everything up. I don't even have a mirror. What am I doing? Alright, so now that I'm looking like a Rasta, I'm literally just lining everything up. You guys can see the front of the cap. Obviously, I did not tweeze or pluck any of this, so it's literally just looking like a full-blown wig. Not that cute, not that attractive. I don't intend on pulling it up at all, but this is like a little bit tighter than I expected. So I'm thinking I might just have to adjust this a little bit more. And I know that's like the biggest question people have with wigs, like, is it secure, is it gonna stay? The answer to this is yeah. So yeah, you just want to line everything up, make sure it's completely in the middle, because again, remember this was a 4x4 closure, so you'll know where that bang area goes, and if not, you'll find out once you start to unravel. Tuck everything behind your ears. If you want to have some hair out here, this is actually a perfect wig where I could pull out just a little bit of hair, but for the sake of this, I'm not going to do it right now. Damp, so it's too little too late. It's already started. I've already started to unravel the twist, but my hair is extremely moisturized, you guys. So soft. Look at this texture. Boom, this is pretty much a twist out as is, you guys. Remember I told you I wanted to kind of shape the hair once I really got it on my head, just to see exactly what everything looks like. Now is going to be a good time for that. So I'm going to be shaping this out not only with my pick but also using scissors, because you guys can see here it's kind of like that, do we want this length to be the length or should it be a little bit shorter? Sorry y'all, getting little text messages. Now I know you guys probably hear some construction going on in the back. You guys know that's been going on for like a month now, or probably even 2. I apologize if I'm ignoring it. Please ignore it. You guys, it'll be over soon, but I'm already liking the way that it looks. It does, I kind of feel like it needs to frame my face more. So it's like up in here that I'm just feeling like it needs to frame a little bit more. Let me make sure I got out all the twists, so that when I start to shape it, it makes sense. So you want to pull everything out that you feel like is going to be a part of that shaping process. So here, pulling these pieces here. Alright, so anything that is just in your face, that's not really showing them cheekbones, you want to remove it. So you want to do this very, very slowly. You don't want to really stretch the hair then pop it back. I can do that just because I understand the way that curly hair works and the length. But for you guys, go ahead and literally just start to trim away in a diagonal motion without stretching the curls too much. And you can take your time with it. If you need help with it, definitely get some assistance. But you really just want to open up your face. So as you guys can see, and this is the best thing for the wigs, because if the company pre-cut them for you, you'd be extremely frustrated, because obviously they can't guess every face shape. So there's that. I feel like I'm good on this side. I probably could do, let's see. So I want to do a little more. No, I kind of want to leave this fullness here, but I will cut just a little bit more. In case I want to show a little bit of my earrings. Once it's actually like poofed up, like that's not a bad idea. And that's kind of how you want to think about curly hair. When you're shaping it, if you know that you're going to be wearing it curly most of the time, even like your real hair, just keep in mind like the things that you're going to be doing, the styles you're going to be wearing, so that you're able to really get the best out of the shape. Alright, so we're good on this side. Before we go ahead and fluff, I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and then we should be good to start fluffing. With this bang area, I've opened up my face. I'm able to show my earrings a little bit more. Let me turn down my camera because I think the ISO was getting a little too bit high. Or no, I think we're good. Let me make sure though. So yeah, so we're good on that. And then from here, you pretty much just want to make sure that this length you're happy with. So in the back, I have it completely brought all the way down. Let me let you guys get a feel for that. Alright, so for me, I'm pretty much okay with this length for the most part. I think that it's maybe just a little bit here that I'm wanting to cut away. So boom, we got rid of the little extra piece here, which I saw that honestly when I first took it out the packaging, like what needed to kind of be trimmed up. Alright, and I think we are pretty much good from here. What I'm going to do, if you want to keep this state, you definitely can, and then allow over the next couple of days for it just to kind of get poofy and fluffy on your own. But you guys know I'm all for ready to wear. Like, I'm not waiting on any hairstyles. Like, that's just that on that. So, alright, so I have a larger tooth and then a smaller tooth. I'm going to be using the larger one just because I really want to be able to get to the roots. And I don't really want to pick out the curls too much. So, I'm just going to literally start by tilting my head down and going right in. And remember, it's a wig. If you want to take this off, put it back on, you can definitely do that. But I'm literally just going in and just kind of wiggling this just a little bit in the areas that I want to be have a little bit more volume. So I'm really looking for that area somewhere up in here. So that's where I'm going to be focusing it. Not really on the top, not too much at the bottom, but really towards the middle. So that's where I want the most of that to kind of come through, and you guys can already see the difference there. So there because of course I have braids, so it's parted directly in the middle. That was not on purpose. That was literally just the wig. So you can see a little bit of scalp in case somebody want to try to check you. Boo, you got it. So nevertheless, I'm not going to overkill with the amount of like picking I'm doing. You can even do some finger raking through. You can kind of get in the base of this just to kind of really make sure that everything is filled out. As you guys can see, we've done very little to no manipulation to the actual wig outside of just twisting it out, doing a normal wash and conditioner. Y'all, if you're looking to transition but you want this look now of natural hair, this is the go-to. And you guys know by now I have about 4 different products from her hair company, so I'll definitely be able to kind of get the look for less and with less time, you know. So I definitely appreciate that. For my next look, I'm thinking about doing a little bit of color on this actual unit, maybe in the tip area, adding a little bit of like ombre highlights. So leave in the comment section below if that's something that you guys don't want to see. I'm actually probably going to just do it and then come back and show you, or more than likely record it so you know what to do for yourself and where to highlight and low light and things like that. So you guys, I am freaking loving this. People love straight hair on me, but I love curly hair on me, so I don't know what that is about. You guys will let me know, I'm sure. From here, the only other thing I do want to do, just in case the wind blows a little bit, you know, okay sis, is I'm literally just going to pull out some hairs here just to kind of shape up my baby hair. So let me grab my Gotta Be glue, or Gotta Be, I'm not grabbing Gotta Be nothing. I'm grabbing my Eco Styler gel because I'm looking at it right now. I'm about to go get it. Boom. So Eco Styler gel in the His House and old school toothbrush. I can't find the fancy ones that I have, and I have like 3 of them, so that's kind of irritating. But anyway, the ones with the comb and the brush on the other end. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and shape this out a little bit. I'm not gonna do too much just because I actually have braids up under here, and like I'm not trying to do the most, you know. But as you guys can see, boom. So if anything was showing, you guys would see my little sideburn right there. It's like, oh, that's her hair. Yes, baby. I'm so extra. And you guys, this hair is so soft and bouncy. Boom, there we go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys love and enjoyed this video. Y'all, I got a little breakout over here on the cheek. What is going on? Leave down below some remedies that you have for pimples and bumps. If you guys want to see, this has nothing to do with nothing. If you guys want to see a skincare routine, definitely let me know, because I would definitely be excited to film that for you guys. Other than that, this is it. Thank you so much, Her Hair Company, for sending me the unit. I will be back with another one. I love you guys so much. Somebody's blowing me up. Stay pretty. I will see you guys in my next video. Definitely make sure to follow me on Instagram if you are not already, and subscribe if you have not, and turn on those post notifications. I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.